Hi everyone, it's Christy here for the Tina Conte Foundation. In today's video, we're talking 501c3 status, specifically your IRS 501c3 status. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to start to apply for a 501c3 status and how to conduct a tax-exempt charity search on organizations in your area. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is go to the IRS website at irs.gov, and I'll link this website below. At the top right hand corner, you're going to see where it says Charities and Nonprofits, and we're going to click on this. Once you get to this screen, on the left hand corner you will see Charity and Nonprofits, and here you will see tax exemption, and it says how to apply for an IRS recognition of tax exempt status. You're going to click on that. Then you're going to see all the different types of tax exemption statuses that are available. You will have to decide which one suits your organization. Here is my disclaimer. I'm not a tax attorney. I cannot provide consultation on any of these items. I'm just sharing with you what our organization did when we filed our tax exempt, when we made our application for a tax exempt status. So since we were a 501c3, I'm going to click on this one, and what it does is describe to me how an organization meets the eligibility requirements to obtain their 501c3. Also, if your organization is going to be involved in any type of political and lobbying activities, I would suggest you read this, and it gives you some information on what those can and can't obtain. After reading this, if you still need a little bit more information, you're not certain, down at the bottom under additional information, it gives you a step-by-step process. It says questions and answers that will help you determine if your organization is eligible to apply. And underneath that, there's a website available. It's called Stay Exempt at irs.gov, and it's also a very great resource. We're going to click on this. It's a great resource for organizations who are starting out and organizations who already have their tax exempt status for 501c3. And here's some information down here that you can utilize to help you in your 501c3 journey. Okay, so once you determine that your organization does in fact meet the guidelines, or you want to go ahead and apply, IRS website to file for your tax exempt status is pay.gov. Now once you go to pay.gov, you're going to see Internal Revenue Service, and it says apply for IRS 1023 EZ. So it says, do you need to apply for this tax exemption under the 501c3? You're going to apply right here. So what you're going to do is just click apply, and it walks you through the form. There is a fee to apply for your 501c3. Our form is going to be $275, and the fee for the other form is $600. Okay. So what you're going to have to do is just walks you through the steps, and you're going to make sure you get the information. If you want to know what the form looks like before you begin, you can click here, and here are the instructions, and you're just going to go through and start, doing what you have to do to file. Okay. So you're going to have to decide, what you want to do to file, and you're going to go through the steps and go ahead and file. If you've already submitted your application and you have any questions, you can go here, call this number, and the IRS can help you. Okay, so that is how you start the application process to file for your 501c3. Now let's talk about tax exempt organization searches in your area. So here we are at irs.gov/charities, and this is a great tool if you want to do a search for charities in your area. Now, why would you want to do this, or why would this come in handy? Well, also, I would suggest doing this because you can see the charities in your area. So that way, if you're wanting to partner with them, or if you don't know if someone in your area is already doing what your idea is going to be, you can check. So you're going to click on tax exempt organizational search, and you can be specific in your search: EIN number, organizational name, city and state. So we're just going to pick Alabama, and we're going to hit search. So as you can see, this is how many charities, tax exempt organizations in Alabama. Now there may be more, but these are the tax exempt ones. So it's good if you need to be more specific to limit your searches. So everything that you do with your charity is public knowledge. So transparency is very, very important. So we're just going to pick this one here. So we can see the organization's EIN number, where they're located. This will be their determination letter, is their IRS determination letter. And this is their particular code that they may use. And so this organization files a 990N or e-postcard. Organizations will do that. So once you're granted your tax exempt status, you will file this every year. And this is so anyone can come here and look and see. So that concludes this video. Thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and you have value, I ask that you go ahead and subscribe. And remember, we're all in this together, changing the world one nonprofit at a time.